Welcome back, my friend. Yes, to a new update. Yeah, showing you the beautiful snows on the trees. Yeah, yeah, we have 12 inches totally snowstorm today. Yeah, starting from early this morning. Yeah, now is March 15th. Yeah, we have 6 days leave to go in winter. So winter is leaving us with a nice little bang. Yeah, and as you can see, you will, as you watch this video, will see how the snow really heavy on the ground. But by the end of the week, it's all melt away. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. Give this video a like, share the video with your friend. You, your mother, your father, your cousin, your brother, your sister, and all your family them, and all your enemy them. Just share the video and give the video a like. All right. So, thank you for watching my video, and thank you for subscribing. Yeah, and thank you for coming back at all times. Thank you for giving it a like. Yeah, just enjoy the video. It's beautiful to see the snow. I'm telling you that, man. Really nice, man. Give the video a like, man. Yeah, man. Personally, I love the snow. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I give you a little view of this. It's deep. Hope you see what's happening there. Yeah, in the street here. What's happening here? This is beautiful. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful to see the snow on the evergreen trees with all the pine trees. Really beautiful. Woo! It's nice. Yeah, the brother plowing the snow out of his yard. We'll get a better view. That is what it is here today.